Good morning from the Florida Immigration Law Council's YouTube channel, and welcome to the first day of fall. It doesn't really affect us here in Florida that much, so forgive the continuous bright colors. Today's topic is going to be the importance of taking an experienced attorney with you to an immigration interview. I get so many calls from people who tell me their bad experiences that happened to them in immigration when they don't have an experienced immigration attorney with them. And really, it's quite shocking and frightening what can go on behind those closed doors in an immigration interview office if you don't have the proper representation. So I'm going to go over 4 points on why it is so important to take an experienced immigration lawyer with you to an immigration interview. Number 1, preparation is key. You must be prepared for the interview. The immigration officer only has 15 to 30 minutes for each interview. And if you don't answer those questions in a smooth and proper fashion, it is going to frustrate the officer. And when you hire an immigration attorney, one of our responsibilities is to prepare you. And once we prepared you and we do the mock interview with you, okay, once you go to the officer in the interview, you're going to know how to do that interview. And that is so very important. I've held interviews the night before at 9 p.m. up until the morning before, just to reiterate and prepare with my client how to answer those questions in a truthful, honest, and appropriate manner. Second point, it holds the office to accountability. The immigration officer cannot be disrespectful to you, cannot be disrespectful to the process. Unfortunately, in this administration right now, they're giving more permission for officers to be disrespectful and asking inappropriate questions about why people get married, about what they're going to do after they get their green card, about why somebody's relationship is a certain way. And the experienced immigration attorney's job is to be like, hold up, we're not going there with those questions. And if the officer doesn't understand it, we take it to the next level and we get a supervisor involved. Third point, it brings up points that the officer can forget. I've been to interviews before where the applicant has had an expired medical and the officer has forgot to ask for it, and I've had to interject and to say, "Excuse me, officer, we need to provide the medical." "Oh, thank you so much, counsel. Thank you." That happens quite often. You're dealing with officers, they got a million things going on, and they're human and sometimes they make mistakes, but the job of the experienced immigration attorney is to not allow that happen and to have all of their points solidified so that we know what we need to give to the officer. And the fourth and final point is that it provides calmness to the client. The fact that you have an experienced immigration attorney next to you at the interview, it provides solace. That client, that applicant has so much more confidence when they know that somebody's on their team, and this is basic human nature. So we really encourage you, if you are going through the immigration process, please, now is not the time to go alone. I encourage you to please find an experienced immigration attorney and have representation with you. So we hope you enjoy this interview, and if you have any questions about it, please give us a call at 954-240-1669. Have a great day, guys. Bye.